Good morning, dear students. My dear students, as in the revision, we are reading the chapter number 8 and which is the hack driver. Dear students, in the beginning of this chapter, some portion initially I have given you all. Now, dear students, I will explain to you all on the page number 48 and the para starts which I will explain. He was so open. But right before explaining to you all the respective paragraph, I would like to draw your attention on the previous points which I made you understand yesterday. It means in my previous video. Dear students, previously you knew that the clerk reached at New Mullion city where he was looking for a man, and this man was none other than Lutkins, Oliver Lutkins. Look, he was hunting this man, he was in the search of this man who was Oliver Lutkins. And look, as previously I told you who this man was. This man was the very man whom he was searching, whom the clerk was searching. It means the hack driver himself was the Oliver Lutkins, but he kept his identity hidden to the man and he did not disclose that he was Oliver Lutkins, and he just tried his level best to befool him, and he was successful in his job as well, in his business as well. Look, let us see in the upcoming paragraph how beautifully, how nicely the man is trying his level best to befool the clerk who was hunting him, to convey the message, to deliver the summon which he had to give to the respective man. Well, here is, he was, from here on the page number 48, he was so open and friendly that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. I knew, of course, that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. Dear students, in this paragraph, the man, it means the clerk, was highly loved by the man. He knew the gesture, he knew the posture of the hack driver, and he was praising. He loved him a lot. And as he was highly fascinated by the man, and due to which he just said that he was so open and friendly. And what he said? He said that the man was, means the hack driver was very open-minded and he was very friendly as well. It means what was reflected by the gesture of Oliver Lutkins, the hack driver, he proved that he was very friendly actually. But look, right contrary to this, right opposite to this, what kind of the gesture of this man was? The man was a cunning one, the man was a cheat as well. But look what he was reflecting, why he was doing so, why he was behaving like this, because he was befooling the clerk. And I knew, of course, that he wanted the business, but this kindness was real. And look what the clerk said. The clerk also added to his knowledge, and what he said? He said that he was kind enough to help someone, he was friendly one, and he wanted some business. It means he wanted some business means, as he was a hack driver and he was waiting for some traveler to come and to drop to the respective man to his respective destination, and consequently he could earn some money. This was actually the business, because here what he was doing, he was performing the role, he was doing the business of a hack driver, and he knew that this was his business to drop the traveler at their destination. But his kindness was real. But look how he highly showed his gesture to the clerk how Oliver Lutkins proved himself very loyal, very friendly, and very real as well, right in front of the man. I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. And look what he said. He also added that whatever the money he will pay, whatever the money he would give to the hack driver, it would surely help him. To whom? To Oliver Lutkins. It means he thought that he was not in the touch of a bad one, but he was in the touch of a real man. He was in the touch of a good man. So whatever the fare he will give, whatever the money as fare he will give to the man, it would surely help him to have that money in good cause. I managed to bargain down $2 an hour, and then he brought from his house nearby a sort of large black box on wheel. He remarked, "Well, young man, here is the carriage. Look." When he knew it all, when he just was thinking it all, that the man was real, the man was loyal. It means the man means Oliver Lutkins was real, loyal, and very friendly. Meanwhile, they reached up to the destination, and there are some goods he had, and on the way, when the man was on the way, he also tried his level best to bargain. He tried to get reduce the value, the money of the fare that he had to pay to Oliver Lutkins. But look. Anyways, while they were walking, they were moving on the hack. They kept on talking, and with the luggage they moved at the destination. "Well, young man, here is the carriage." And his wide smile made me into an old friend. And look, when he said that, here was the destination, here was the place where he had to go. And look what also he said. And here was the respective luggage that the man had. He handed it over and passed a beautiful smile. He also passed a confident smile, and said that and this proved that this man was not actually a newly met man, newly known friend, but this man was actually an old friend. As an old friend behaves, like the same way this new man behaved with him. And this was all that proved that he was confident one, he was real one, as well as the friendly. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. And what he thought in his mind, actually he was in New City, it was New Mullion City, and after reaching over there, what was running in his mind? The thing that was running, he thought that actually the villagers actually are very helpful. They are of very helping nature. That's why he said that these villagers are so ready to help a stranger, and they always love to help the strangers, to newcomers and the visitors. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkins for me. And look, in the way, on the way, this man has taken fully the clerk in confidence that he would try his level best to hunt, to find out, to discover the very man whom the clerk was searching, whom the clerk was looking for, whom he was waiting for.